Picture this. You're working on a project, everything seems fine, and suddenly, boom, an error pops up. The program crashes, or the output looks completely wrong. You stare at the screen, frustrated, wondering where to even begin. Debugging is one of those skills that separates beginners from pros. It's not just about fixing errors, it's about understanding your code, diagnosing problems systematically, and finding solutions efficiently. And with the right prompts, you can use AI to become a debugging pro, no matter what level you're at. Let's start by reframing debugging. Most people treat it as firefighting. You only debug when something goes wrong. But pros know debugging is a mindset. It's about constantly testing assumptions, validating logic, and predicting where problems might occur before they do. When you use AI effectively, it's like having a second pair of eyes, spotting issues you might overlook, and offering fresh solutions. Imagine you're staring at an error message that makes zero sense. Maybe it's some cryptic Python traceback or a vague, undefined reference in C++. Instead of panicking, you can use a prompt like, "Here's the error message and the code snippet. Explain in simple terms what this error means and suggest possible causes." AI won't just translate the message, it'll give you context, like, "This error usually occurs when a variable is referenced before it's defined." That saves you hours of Googling. But that's just the first step. Once you know what the error means, you need to dig deeper. Pros don't just patch errors, they find root causes. That's where another powerful prompt comes in. Walk through this function line by line and explain what it's doing. This is especially useful when you're working with code you didn't write yourself. Instead of trying to untangle everything alone, AI can narrate the logic, highlight suspicious parts, and point out where the flow might break. Another common debugging challenge is inconsistent behavior. Maybe the code runs fine sometimes, but crashes in specific cases. These are the worst because they feel random. A great debugging prompt here is, suggest test cases that might break this function based on its current implementation. AI can generate edge cases you wouldn't think of, like empty inputs, huge numbers, or unexpected data types. Running these tests often uncovers hidden bugs. Let's talk about performance issues. Sometimes your code runs, but it's painfully slow. Instead of guessing, you can use AI to analyze the bottlenecks. A solid prompt is, review this code and identify potential inefficiencies or unnecessary loops. AI might point out that you're using a nested loop when a dictionary lookup would be faster, or that you're reprocessing data multiple times. These insights can save hours of trial and error optimization. And then there are logic errors, the silent killers. No error messages, no crashes, just wrong results. These are tricky because you don't always know the output is wrong until much later. To tackle this, you can ask AI, compare my function against the expected logic for this problem. Where might the reasoning go wrong? By describing your intention and sharing your implementation, AI can pinpoint mismatches between what you want and what your code actually does. Sometimes debugging isn't about finding one error, but about cleaning up messy code that invites errors. You can prompt, rewrite this function in a cleaner, more modular way while preserving functionality. AI might break long functions into smaller, testable parts, making future debugging far easier. This is what pros do. They don't just fix bugs, they refactor to prevent them. Another pro tip is documentation. Poorly documented code is a breeding ground for bugs. You can use AI as a documentation partner. Prompt it with, generate clear inline comments and a doc string for this function. The result is code that's easier to read, easier to debug, and easier for teammates to understand. Think of it as debugging in advance. Now, let's address the emotional side of debugging. Every developer knows the frustration of banging your head against a stubborn bug. AI can also help you reframe. For example, you can paste your error and say, Give me 3 possible debugging strategies to approach this issue step by step. Instead of panicking, you now have a plan. Check variable values, isolate the function, test inputs. It's like turning chaos into order. And here's where prompts really shine, teaching you to think like a pro. Each time you use AI to debug, don't just copy the solution. Ask. Explain why this bug happened and how to prevent similar issues in the future. That way, you're building intuition. Over time, you'll catch these mistakes before they even happen. Let's not forget collaboration. Debugging often happens in teams, and explaining issues clearly is half the battle. You can use AI to help with that too. Prompt it with, write a clear bug report based on this error, including possible causes and steps to reproduce. Now your teammates instantly understand the problem instead of wasting time deciphering vague notes. That's professional-grade debugging. So what does debugging like a pro really mean? It's not just fixing bugs. It's about strategy, clarity, efficiency, and growth. It's knowing how to isolate issues, test edge cases, refactor code, and learn from every error. And with the right AI prompts, you can shortcut the painful trial and error process and get actionable insights in minutes. The next time you hit an error, don't freeze. Don't scroll endlessly through forums hoping for a miracle. Instead, treat it like a puzzle and let AI be your guide. Use prompts to translate errors, walk through code, suggest test cases, identify inefficiencies, and even document fixes. Debugging isn't a chore. It's a skill that makes you a sharper, more confident developer. And here's the truth. Bugs will never go away. Even the best programmers face them daily. What separates pros from amateurs is how they respond. With AI on your side, you don't just solve bugs, you master them. You become faster, smarter, and more resilient with every fix. And that's how you turn debugging from a nightmare into one of your biggest strengths.